In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner. If you have an old plan you no longer need, cleaning it up can help keep your workspace organized and easier to manage. Before you go ahead, it's important to know that deleting a plan in Microsoft Planner is permanent. That means the plan and all of its tasks will be removed, so make sure you're deleting the correct one before you confirm. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go to the My Plans section. This is where you can see the plans you've recently used or the ones available to you. Once you're there, look through the list and select the plan you want to delete. Take a moment here to verify the plan name so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. After opening the plan, move your attention to the top of the page and click the plan name. This opens the plan details and settings area. If you've never used this menu before, this is where Microsoft Planner gives you access to additional options related to that specific plan. Next, scroll down through the available settings until you find the option labeled Delete this plan. Because deleting a plan is a major action, this option is usually placed lower in the menu rather than front and center. Click Delete this plan when you're ready to continue. At this point, Planner will ask you to confirm that you understand what's about to happen. You'll see a checkbox with a message explaining that the plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted. Click that checkbox to confirm that you understand. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletions, especially if multiple people are collaborating on the same plan. Once the confirmation box is checked, the final delete button will become the last step. Click Delete to permanently remove the plan. After that, the plan will be deleted, and you should no longer see it in your planner list. If you don't see the delete option, keep in mind that permissions can affect what actions are available, so you may need to be the plan owner or have the appropriate access, and that's all it takes to delete a plan in Microsoft Planner. As a final tip, if there's any chance you might need the information later, review the tasks first before deleting, since this action cannot be undone.